Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reacting to Metronome. I don't know how to say it. Metronome Nomi by Izna, which just got released today. I'm so excited for this. I love this group. It's been a while for their comeback. These girls are so underrated. And I saw the teasers. It looks very like iridescent, sparkly, a bit disco-y, spacey even. Yeah, so they look pretty and the concept looks great. And let's just get into this. Okay. Okay, Jimin, our center. So pretty. Sarang has short hair now. Coco as well. No, sorry, that's AB. Sounds good. Jungin. Oh, she looks good blonde. Okay, Coco, our dance center. They look gorgeous. Our metronome. That's her. My oh, look at his hairstyles and outfits. Jimin looks great. I need to see more of Maya though. Ooh. Oh my, stunning. Oh, Jimmy sounds good there. Oh, Jungin has short hair as well. She looks so cool. Oh, dance break. Oh, that's cool. I still don't know what metronome means. Must be some kind of space term. Oh, this is like that meme of that glowing girl, you know? Oh, okay. Must be related to time or space or something like that. It's giving interstellar concept. Okay, they look gorgeous, obviously. Not surprised by that. They sounded good as well. The song itself was, how would I describe it? It sounded a bit like it was quite happy and upbeat, but also sounded quite sad, like quite bittersweet. From my first listen, I did enjoy the song. Is it my favorite from my first listen? No. I think they had better songs in the past. Um, at first, I was a bit when I heard like the chorus part from the teaser. I was like, oh my, is this going to be like an empty chorus situation? But no, it wasn't. It didn't feel that empty. yeah, so I did enjoy it, and yeah, stunning queens. I love the outfits so much. It could have been a bit more, I don't know, more powerful or punchy maybe. A bit is quite subtle, if you know what I mean. But in saying that, it wasn't bad or anything. And yeah, I, I felt like was barely like she. I know she's not like the strongest vocalist and dancer, but yeah, I want to see more of her. She's kind of my bias. From this, Jimin definitely stood out. Obviously, she's like the center or whatever. But in the past music videos, like she didn't stand out as much, but this one she did. It kind of feels like her era in a way. Anyways, let's support Isna in their comeback. I'm gonna listen to the mini album as well. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.